namin, natutunan namin yung biblical order of priorities. Which is, number 1,
Put God first in our relationship. Tapos, syempre, yung spouse natin or yung partner natin. Tapos, children. Work, tapos friend.
ang akala namin ng una, yung order of priorities, God, and then child or children, and then spouse. Yun yung una namin naisip. Pero ang na-realize namin, hindi pala ganun. Dapat pala si God muna, and then after nun, spouse. So kahit gaano ka busy ka sa pag-aalaga sa anak mo, do not ever forget to take care of your spouse, your husband, or your wife, kasi it's so important na meron kang deep connection with your husband. Kasi doon nag-i-start lahat yun yung connection mo sa anak mo, it will be effective kapag yung connection mo sa asawa mo is really intact. And hindi rin naman magiging intact yung relationship mo with your husband kung wala kang intact relationship with the Lord. So it's always in the order. It has to be God first, second is your spouse, and then third is your child or your children. And then after that is work. For example, for me, love, ang iniisip ko nung dati, kasi nga dahil breadwinner ako, family breadwinner ako. So ang iniisip ko, una si God, pangalawa yung family ko. Nakalagay pa rin yung nasa order bago actually siya. Kasi nga, syempre, parang inisip ko, yung inasawa niya ako, alam niya yung setup na breadwinner ako sa family namin. So, maiintindihan niya. Pero hindi pala ganun ang biblical order of priority. Ang biblical order of priority, yung family mo, ngayon, yung family mo, nasa baba na sila. Kasi nakalagay din naman sa Bible na pag nag-asawa kayong mag-asawa, lilive. Yeah, and also, you will leave your parents.
Good ka sa parents mo, and yung sa partner mo, you guys will become one flesh. Yun yung sinasabi.
Kahit sa wedding seminar namin nabanggit yun dati na ang family mo na ngayon because you got married is your spouse. He or she is your immediate family.